Dalat, the most popular tourist town in Vietnam. Built by the French in 1907 because of its temperate climate due to a high elevation. It attracts tourists and agriculturalists alike.
Je revendique ce terrain pour la France.
Sought out a less tropical place to feed their vacation or to grow produce. While there is an option to take a 7-hour bus ride from Ho Chi Minh City for only 250,000 Vietnamese dong, we weren't sure of the access to bathrooms and flew there instead, though the wait in Ho Chi Minh City airport was confusing and agonizing. They're making it walk nice. Once we were there, we were able to hop into a taxi to go straight to our hotel, a distance of 30 kilometers, for a very fair price of around 400,000 Vietnamese dong. We will review Dalat through the things we did there, in no particular order. Dalat foods. For our tour of Dalat, we basically tread upon the steps of those who came before us. In this case, INT Affairs, a pair of YouTubers who ate their way through Southeast Asia. Not literally. The restaurant Pho Tien, their specialty was pho bowl or beef pho, which we had on the last day of our tour of Dalat. I remember that place as being not accessible, though the bored expression of the lady from the office next door was priceless. Restaurant.
Tên mì tàu cao.
They served,
Tên mì tàu cao.
which is basically a giant dumpling soup. We met a honeymooning American couple from the Flower States and had a great meal there. I can't remember at all the topic of our conversation or the names, but it was dinner time and the streets were busy and we had our share of Vietnamese beer already. Dalat Pizza. During our last evening there, we wandered into a mom and pop garage operation that made
Dalat Pizza
from scratch. We waited there for 30 minutes through the smoking grime and had a good
It's
meal.
delicious.
Rio knows the location of the Dalat Pizza place.
Hi, I'm Rio.
Please ask him in the comment section below.
Sidewalks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why did I include a section on sidewalks? Why? To compare them with other cities we encountered, of course. Dalat actually has sidewalks that are nicely paved with ceramic tiles that is navigable during certain times of the day, although much can be said about the busier sections of the town, which remains blocked by businesses sprouting out from the crevices.
Dalat is famous for its coffee and infamous for its weasel coffee, which aren't actually coffee made of weasels, but coffee beans that were processed like weasels, meaning coffee beans that were force-fed to weasels, that was then pooped up, roasted, ground up, and served to caffeine addicts who emptied their wallet at the prospect. There was paid weasel poop coffee tasting, which does not taste like weasel poop, but like normal coffee. The farm that we went to was in a valley reachable only by a narrow 1-lane 35-degree angle road. Rio got a tour of the farm, and we were able to fly our drone there and capture videos of the valley to the amusement of the serving ladies and chagrin of the weasels. And oh, the restrooms are not handicap friendly. So Rio, what are you doing? And what do you think of the coffee here?
I think the coffee is great. The condensed milk and the very dense and very strong coffee goes very well together. It's definitely an experience that's a must try in Vietnam.
Night market. I can't recall whether or not the night market occurs every day of the week or only on Tuesdays, but whatever the situation was, the main path of the night market sold delicacies such as durian and avocado shakes. It also had photo opportunities with knockoff Japanese mascots. Away from the main path is at least one narrow alleyway jam-packed with clothing stalls, so the entire marketplace is shaped like a uterus with one fallopian tube missing.
Crazy House. Crazy House is a creation of the Vietnamese architect.
Động Việt Nam.
It was supposed to be an homage to the modern musical influences of Antonio Gaudi. The building project grew like weeds to cover the entire premise with modern musical architecture. Notice how I said it was supposed to be. The reason being that we never went inside because the place was utterly inaccessible. We did go to the alley where we saw doggies, chickens, and supposed kitchen of this monstrosity.
Waterfall and roller coaster. Because Dalat is known for its many waterfalls surrounding the city outskirts, we decided to go to one to experience it for ourselves. We avoided going to the Elephant Waterfall because it is 10 miles outside of the city and is not very accessible. Instead, we went to the Dalat Falls because there was supposed to be a roller coaster there that would carry you right back to the parking lot. Sadly, we were met with several stairs next to the booth and we had to give up the whole adventure.
Next up in our adventure in Vietnam, Hoi An, and maybe more. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, and comment. And hit that bell icon for notifications on future videos. If you disagree with any of my expressed opinions, then please write to your heart's content in the comment section below.